Good day, Mom. My name is Jane Castro Pettit, IA. Before we start to create an expenses tracker, open first the Microsoft Excel, and then click the blank workbook. And next, click the fill and series to create a column. And then type the date, descriptions, categories, and amount. And then highlight and start to create your expenses tracker. And then put the date, descriptions, categories, and amount of your expenses. After you finish to create your expenses tracker, and then total the amount of your expenses. Then use the formulas to total. After that, highlight all the ticks inside the columns. And then highlight the categories and the amount to create a pie chart. And then go to the insert and click the chart and choose the 2D pie to create a pie chart. And after that, click the file and save as. And then export to the PDF file and save as. And that's all. Thank you.